Make him swim. Oh, there we go. There's a railing there. You have to shoot it.
Uh-oh, he's coming in. He's coming in for the kill. Oh, oh mercy. Get him out of here. You got the teeth. He's trying to get me. Wow, is this thing filmed this long? That's over a minute.
Yeah, you can turn it off at any time. Just press the red dot.
Alrighty. That's pretty cool, Trout. Coming in for me again. Oh, mercy.